The main objective of this project is to promote access to electricity and off-grid, and in particular in rural areas. And this translates into better living standards, in particular for women and youth.
Impinduka zirahari nyinshi, nk'urugero abana iyo bavuye ku ishuri babona umwanya wo gusubiramo amasomo kubera mfite urumuri, kuko aha dutuye nta mashanyarazi ya ewasa ahari, nkoresha Mobisol.
As of February of this year, we have about 51% of Rwandan households that have access to electricity, with 37% connected to the grid, the electricity grid, while 14% are using off-grid technologies. It means that around 49% of the population in Rwanda do not have access to electricity. Actually, we have development partners that are supporting the government of Rwanda in the electrification program. The number of private companies is slightly increasing, and we are very happy that they are contributing to this important program. The objective set by the government of Rwanda to improve the current electricity rate is stated in the 7-year strategic plan from 2017 up to 2024. The government targets a universal electricity access up to 100%. All the country should be covered. EU, like other development partners, significantly contribute to this objective set by the government. Currently, the EU granted an envelope of €6 million to a project we call Prepared Energy Rent-to-Own Solar Home System Project. I think the general public knows this project as Mobisol. And the aim for this project is to increase, as I say, the electricity access in rural area through the dissemination of solar home systems.
Abana bakunda kureba televiziyo. Kuva namara kuyibona ntago bongeye kujya bakunda kurarikira hanze kugira ngo barebe ibyo bakeneye kureba. Nanjye ubwanjye ninjira mu nzu hari mu kizima. Ubwo abandi babura umuriro, njye igihe cyose umuriro wanjye uhora ari tayari.
Mobicari imfasha mu gucagingira abaturanyi. Bazana telefone bari gucaginga imwe, bampa igiceri kimwe cy'ijana gucaginga telefone imwe. Ku munsi nshobora kubona amafaranga atari munsi ya 500.
Impinduka ya mbere Mobisol yampaye ni ukubera ko mbasha kwerekana imipira nkoresheje imirasire ya Mobisol, nkerekana amafilimi, ibyo bigatuma ngira inyungu yinjira mu muryango wanjye.
The EU grant, we started working on it together with EWASA, which was the public utility company of the government of Rwanda at the time. It was in 2013, and the grant agreement was signed in September of 2014. So we started the implementation around November of 2014 in Ramagana, which is a location where we had our headquarters at the time.
We have an assembly team here. We receive different parts from different suppliers, and we assemble them here, and we make a complete system. The second step is to distribute them to the shops. The installation takes 1 hour and a half. It depends on the demand, on the items the customer took. After installation, the technician educates the customer how to handle Mobisol properties, how to operate them, and how to keep them in a good condition.
I think the EU grants are necessary in the sense that they help local companies or projects to achieve a main goal, which is like the changing of lives. With our products, we improve the living of the rural households. We allow them to do some economic activities. And without this grant, we wouldn't have managed to do so because it helped in setting up the infrastructure of the project, which was very, very helpful, and I believe it is very necessary for other similar projects or other people or companies that have similar projects that are not possible to implement if they don't have such grants.
In addition to the improvement of the living conditions of the people and the positive effects on the small business, this project had a very interesting impact in terms of job creation. This project created more than 200 jobs through Mobisol, and this contributes to the overall objective of this support of the European Union in terms of the economic development of the country.